مرحبا يا خير داع طلع. صباح الخير يا بلادي، يا بلادي يا سعودية، يا بلادي يا سعودية. الله لا سير مضلك، الله لا سير مضلك. بر وبحر وجوية، بر وبحر وجوية. صباح الخير يا بلادي، صباح الخير يا بلادي، يا بلادي يا سعودية، يا بلادي يا سعودية. الله لا سير مضلك.
Then we continued upon the path of Wadi Qusaiba, Harrah Qusaiba, going up into the mountains. It is a very difficult mountain climb, but just to get an understanding of how the Prophet ﷺ himself went through this difficult path in the Hijra, we too decided to climb it.
Maulana Zakariyya और इसी तरह शाहिद भाई, योर इंट्रोडक्शन, योर नेम? ज़ुबैर भाई हमारे साथ हैं, और इस तरह मुफ्ती अब्दुल्ला तमीम बार बार आएंगे, बांग्लादेश से हैं ये इंशाअल्लाह।
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Lillahi takbir.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Walillahi alhamd.
When we went to the top, we seen some pathways, and we also seen some signs that camels have passed through. So a camel, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it such, today we learn something new, that it makes its own pathway into the mountains, and many a times the camels themselves have made pathways into the mountains, and then the human beings had followed it. Also we seen the ithqir grass there, which is mentioned in the ahadith many times. We also know in the poetry of Bilal radiallahu anhu, when we also go for ihram, we're not allowed to, when you go to Makkah, Medina, you're not allowed to cut any tree, etc. But idkhir was excluded from it because Abbas radiallahu anhu asked. So we seen that grass there as well.